everyone. Welcome back to my AWS IAM series. In this episode, we are going hands-on experience with the creating IAM users and groups using a real-world example. So this will help you understand how company uses IAM to manage access the right way. So let's say we work at a company called TechNova. They just hired a cloud developer named Alex. So as a cloud developer, Alex needs to log into the AWS consoles, and also for programmatic access, he need AWS CLI access as well. But we want to limit their permission to only read only access to S3 and EC2. So whatever access we are trying to create in this demo in the upcoming series, we would be giving only the least privilege. Uh, so let's create an new IAM user for Alexa. So first, this is the console homepage, AWS console homepage. So let's go to IAM, search in the search box. This will take you to the IAM dashboard. So here we are going to create a user. So click here. So we are click select user. So we are going to name it as Alex. So we are going to give him both console access as well as CLI access. So programmatic access. So let's click the AWS management console access user type. So let's go with the first one itself right now. Oh, then cancel it. I want to create an go with I want to create an IAM users. So this one, like, select this select I want to create an IAM user. Then on console password, what type of password want to give. So this one is like auto generated password. I create a password. Just now, for now, like, click on auto generated password. So it also, you can see, you can view the password after you create the users. So once we create the user, we will get the password. uh Select this option. What it says is like, the when the users try to log in into the console with this auto generated password, it will redirect to create its own password itself. Go to next. Then add users to the group. This is attach policies directly. For now, go to create users. Next step here, let's review all this. Right now he's getting just the IAM user change password policies. That's it. Add a tag. Role, we are going to keep it as a role developer. So another thing about the tags is, like, no one, it's optional. It says optionals, but it would help to this would help everyone across the cloud environment, like cloud operation team, security team, developer team, finance teams. Helps this with the key value pair. So this is very important from my opinion. Let's create the users. So this is the user. We can download and send it to the Alex and try to log in it. So return to the user list. So currently we have given him an access to the console access. Now we want to give him like a CLI access as well, right? So he can go and create an access keys with the permissions he want. So that's first step. The second step is, so here, like, for creating an access keys, just create access keys. What type of access key we want to give him, either CLI, local code, or application running on the AWS compute services. For this role, I think this would be the good position. You can select this one and then click confirmation, create next. Now create access keys. Download the CS file, send him over. Now we have given him access to both console access as well as CLI. So we are done with creating a users. Next step is uh, uh, creating an IAM group. So now let's create a group for developers with the right permissions. and then add Alex to the group. So by this way, we will give an Alex the right permission for his position as a developer. Let's create group, and the group name could be like cloud developer. Add Alex to the group, and here we are trying to give him access to read only permission to S3. So Amazon already have few permissions related, few policies related to like read only S3. I will go through about this all these policies about what type of are there later. But for now, select Amazon S3 read only. The next one would be that EC2 read only permissions. Okay, let's go and click the group. Here we have added Alex to the group, and the permissions are, see, like Amazon EC2 read only access, and then Amazon S3 uh, read only access. So let's go back to the users and see Alex what permissions we have. Here we can see there are three groups: EC2 read only, S3 read only, and then IAM user change password, which helps him to like change his password when he starts to log in. And also group is very important. So why did we use a group instead of assigning policies directly to the users? Because the main reason is groups make access easier to manage. Tomorrow if TechNova hires like five more cloud developers, we just add them to the cloud developers groups. No need to reconfigure permissions, meanings like no need to like adding policies again to each users. That's the main purpose for like groups. It's easier to manage. Mm, so from this, like Alex now has a secure IAM user account, console and CLI password, CLI access, and also he has like read only permission to S3 and EC2. And all of this follows AWS best practices using groups. So, in this episode, we learned how to create IAM users and groups the right way using a real world use cases. So, in this, if you're enjoying in the this IAM series, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell for notification. Thanks for watching, and see you in episode 3.